Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing a Ghanaian recipe. Okay, this is from the north of Ghana and it's really delicious. We are doing waakye. Okay, waakye is made up of rice and beans, and we add a little bit of leaves, okay, to it, and it smells amazing. So what I have here, I have some water, okay, on fire. So what I'm going to do, I have the leaves here. So this is the leaves. I normally call it waakye leaves, but I have this, I've had this for a very long time. So what I'm going to do, I normally don't use bicarbonate of soda, but I'm going to use it today. So I'm going to put that in. Because I need the color really to come out. Right, so I'm adding just about half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and I'll allow it to boil a little bit before I add my beans. So guys, as you can see, I have a lot of color. This is what I want. Okay, so I'm going to take some of the water out. Right, so this is washed black eye beans, so I'm putting that in. I'll just leave the leaves in for a while. So I'll allow this to cook, and then we get on from there. Right guys, so I am taking off the leaves because the color is okay. So guys, we need to put the rice in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of salt, and then, right, so guys, I want to add what I put out so that it will give it a nice color. Let's so guys, I want to cover it with flavour. It's just like cooking rice normally. You can just check how I cook my rice on my channel, and then I cover it. Make sure that you put it at medium heat so that it will cook nicely. Right guys, so our rice is done. As you can see, the last bit I want to add is some coconut oil. It makes it taste really good, so that is the secret. So just show you, mix it nicely. Smells amazing. So guys, this is our waakye. It is absolutely delicious. You have to try this recipe, as you know that it's very easy to do. Okay, it's very colorful, so you can try that. Just look at that. It's amazing. Okay, so if you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. put on your post notification so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.